Hello and welcome. I'm Sara Raymond with The Mindful Movement. I am grateful you have chosen this gratitude practice today. First, I will guide you to relax and connect with this present moment so that you can then begin the simple yet powerful gratitude practice. If you haven't already, check out our mindful tip about gratitude, offering a bit of context around this specific practice. There is a link to the video in the description below. I will guide you through the practice today, but know that this only takes a few minutes and you can do this anytime, anywhere. It has a profound effect and the potential to completely change your state of being in just a moment's time. Shared gratitude can spread around the world, and the positive energy has no boundaries. Let's get started. I invite you to make yourself comfortable. Start this practice with 3 deep breaths in and out through your nose. Take your time. Let these full breaths signify to your body and mind that it is time to relax and go inward, that this is the start of your practice of being present and grateful. Then allow your breath to return to its natural, easy rhythm. Invite your body to settle into relaxation and ease. And as you do, your mind can begin to settle as well. Call to mind an idea, a person, or a thing that comes up when you think of being grateful. Whatever comes first, keep this image or idea in your mind and connect with the physical sensations in your body that you experience when you feel gratitude. Connect with the energy of gratitude. Stay enveloped in the sensations of gratitude as I guide you to treasure all that you are grateful for. For this practice, each time you inhale, think the words in your mind, I am grateful for. And each time you exhale, think of one thing you are grateful for. For each breath, for the next few minutes of silence, think of something different. If you find your focus wandering away from your breath, that is okay. Just let your attention rest on your gratitude statements. And now, to begin, breathe in. I am grateful for. Breathe out your gratitude idea. Continue practicing each breath a new and different gratitude idea. And I will let you know when the time is up. Begin to deepen your breath in once more and let it go through your mouth like a sigh. Let go of your gratitude statements. And now invite your attention to drift over your entire body and notice how you are feeling. Check in with yourself after this experience. Connect with the positive sensations of the energy of gratitude and hold it in your heart. And when you feel ready, open your eyes with a grateful heart. May you experience peace, love, joy, and gratitude on your journey of life. May you express your gratitude with loved ones often. Let us know how you feel and what you're grateful for in the comments below. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day.